have a look at this. This is the Black Edition Grasshopper. Just like a normal grasshopper, you might say, but as TFG alluded to, it's black. So, and by black, let's have a look in the box. It's not painted. It is in fact injection molded, all in a black polymer. Get this one down. So the body is very traditionally white with the green stickers. This one not so much, black. And of course what I like is the fluoro yellow wheels. Iridescent fluoro day glow wheels. I love them. So looking forward to bringing this little grasshopper to life. Of course, got the driver figure. What does the decal sheet look like? I'm tipping it's not green, but what would I know? It's not green. It is grey, yellow, and red. So really cool. Really limited edition grasshopper. There is a few more left, but if you like your grasshoppers, or in fact you just wanted something a little bit different from the standard, it is a great idea. I'm excited for it. And what's it showing here? It's showing the 380 motor. Yada yada yada. I'll be putting a Pine Beach setup in mine as well. Goes without a doubt.